Greetings, space enthusiasts, and welcome to our cosmic journey. Today we are taking a deep dive into the cosmos with our space exploration trivia. We are about to embark on an astronomical adventure, but before we launch, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on our celestial content. Now, let's ignite those engines and explore the universe. Our first cosmic conundrum. Which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? Don't worry, the images are black and white so you can't cheat. Is it Venus or Mars? Mars earned its red planet nickname due to its rusty, iron-rich surface that gives it a reddish hue. It's a favorite target for future human colonization. Let's make it harder. In space lingo, what does NASA stand for? National Aeronautics and Space Administration or North American Space Association? NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA, established in 1958, is responsible for the United States civilian space program and for aeronautics and aerospace research. Next up on our journey, what is the largest planet in our solar system? Is it Jupiter or Venus? Jupiter is the correct answer, but Jupiter is not just the largest planet. It's a gas giant with a powerful magnetic field and dozens of moons, including the massive Ganymede. Which famous spacecraft carried the first humans to the moon in 1969? Was it Voyager 1 or Apollo 11? The Apollo 11 mission, with astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, achieved the historic lunar landing, making a giant leap for humanity. Moving on to the next question. What is the name of the spacecraft that sent the first humans to space? Was it Mercury Redstone 3 or Vostok 1? The correct answer is Vostok 1. Yuri Gagarin, aboard Vostok 1, became the first human in space in 1961. Which space agency operates the Mars rovers including Curiosity and Perseverance? NASA or ESA? NASA's Mars rovers have been exploring the red planet's surface for years, conducting experiments and sending back stunning images. Let's make it more specific. What is the term for the point in orbit when an object is farthest from Earth? Periapsis or apoapsis? Apoapsis or apoapsy is the highest point in an object's orbit, while periapsis is the closest. Yuri Gagarin was the first man that traveled to space. But do you know who was the first woman that traveled to space? Valentina Tereshkova or Sally Ride? Valentina Vladimirovna Tereshkova is a Russian engineer, member of the State Duma, and former Soviet cosmonaut, being the first woman ever to fly in space. What is the name of the probe that successfully landed on Saturn's moon Titan in 2005? Voyager 2 or Huygens? Huygens, part of the Cassini-Huygens mission, provided valuable data about Titan's atmosphere and surface. Which planet is often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition? Is it Venus or Mars? Venus is similar to Earth in size and composition, but its extreme greenhouse effect makes it incredibly hot. Before we continue our quest for knowledge among the stars, take a quick break to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you will provide our fuel for our mission in the wonders of space. Now back to the cosmos. Back to our questions. Which one is the first artificial satellite launched by the Soviet Union in 1957? Was it Sputnik 1 or Explorer 1? Sputnik 1 marked the beginning of the space age and the space race between the US and the Soviet Union. Which spacecraft holds the record for the farthest human-made object from Earth? New Horizons or Voyager 1? Voyager 1 is now in interstellar space, sending back data about the distant reaches of our solar system. Let's ask a different question here. Which one is the largest mountain in our solar system? Olympus Mons on Mars or Mount Everest on Earth? Olympus Mons is a large shield volcano on Mars. It is over 21.9 kilometers high as measured by the Mars Orbiter Laser Altimeter and is about 2.5 times Mount Everest height above sea level. Which space telescope, launched in 1990, was provided breathtaking images of distant galaxies and nebulae? Hubble Space Telescope or Kepler Space Telescope? The Hubble Space Telescope has revolutionized our understanding of the universe with its stunning images and discoveries. Who was the first American in space who flew aboard the Freedom 7 spacecraft in 1961? Was it John Glenn or Alan Shepard? Freedom 7 was the first United States human spaceflight on May 5, 1961, piloted by astronaut Alan Shepard. Which moon of Jupiter is known for its intense volcanic activity and colorful surface? Ganymede or Io? Io's volcanic eruptions are driven by the gravitational interactions with Jupiter and other moons. Moving on to our next question. What was the name of the first space shuttle which launched in 1981? Was it Discovery or Columbia? Space Shuttle Columbia was a space shuttle orbiter manufactured by Rockwell International and operated by NASA. Which spacecraft, named after an Italian astronomer, conducted a flyby of Pluto in 2015? New Horizons or Voyager 2? New Horizons is an interplanetary space probe that was launched as a part of NASA's New Frontiers program. What is the name of the mission that successfully landed humans on the moon in 1969? Apollo 11 or Gemini 7? Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the lunar surface during the Apollo 11 mission. Last but not least, which NASA space probe was launched in 1977 and continues to send data from beyond our solar system? Pioneer 10 or Voyager 2? Voyager 2 has entered interstellar space, carrying a message from humanity to the cosmos.